time is it where you are?
I miss you more than anything.
Back at home you feel so far,
Waiting for the phone to ring.
getting lonely living upside down. I don't even wanna be in this town, trying to figure out the time zones making me crazy. You say good morning when it's midnight, going out of my head alone in this bed. I wake up to your sunset and it's driving me mad. I miss you so bad and my heart is so jet lagged. Heart is so jet lagged. Heart is so jet lagged. It's so jet lagged.
What time is it where you are?
5 more days and I'll be home.
I keep your picture in my car.
I hate the thought of you alone.
I've been keeping busy all the time, just to try to keep you off my mind.
Trying to figure out the time zones making me crazy. You say good morning when it's midnight, going out of my head alone in this bed. I wake up to your sunset and it's driving me mad. I miss you so bad and my heart is so jet lagged.
shiny cars, and that's when you need me there. With you I'll always share. Because when the sun shines, we shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. Second up, I'ma stick it out till the end. Now that it's raining more than ever, know that we still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, 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 And there's fancy things will never come in between. You're part of my entity, here for infinity. When the world has took its part, when the world has set its cards, if the hand is hard, together we'll mend your heart. Because when the sun shines, we shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. Second up, I'ma stick it out till the end. Now that it's raining more than ever, know that we still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella. Under my umbrella. Under my umbrella. Under my umbrella. You can run into my arms. It's okay, don't be alive. Come into me. There's no distance in between our love. So gonna let the rain pour. I'll be all you need and more. Because when the sun shines, we shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. Second up, I'ma stick it out till the end. Now that
think about the generations and to say we want to make it a better place for our children and our children's children, so that they know it's a better world for them and think if they can make it a better place.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place is much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. If you want to know why, there's a love that cannot lie. Love is strong, it only cares for joyful giving.